Sometimes you end up in relationships. I'm a loyal ride or die motherfucker. I ride shit till the wheels fall off. She approached me. We got in a relationship. I'm trying to make the best of it. Now we had a negative synergy because
in your enemy year.
She wasn't diverse. No, it happened last year.
Okay, and
in 2024.
you're away from your child right now, right?
Yeah.
So that's not enemy year shit.
Transformational stage.
Hold up. That's not enemy year shit. Being away from the person you love the most on this planet.
And it's inspiring me to go harder, to be more disciplined.
Why don't you say that enemy years are real?
Listen.
Say enemy years are real. Wes Watson's getting his ass whooped this year.
Let me tell you something.
Adam, 22, born in the year of the pig, is getting destroyed this year. All these people.
Look at me.
What about Elon Musk? Thrown out of the goddamn White House.
Look at me, for instance. I got involved with the sports bettor Mozzie and Sean Perry with their fight.
I know them.
You know, I'm willing to fight any sports bettor for any amount of money. So when when Sean Perry's talking about he'll bet anyone, I saw that they had the event. I told my boy Keno, who was there, why the fuck didn't you call me so I could come up and press him? So the next event, when they had their first fight, when they were going to fight for $500,000, they brought me in because there was a whole lot of shit. So I went and pressed everyone in there. The kid Elf was in there with all the social media vloggers.
You think those guys are going to fight you for $500,000?
Listen.
I bet $1 million on you. Like, what the fuck?
So from me making a scene, pressing everyone in there, the kid Elf and his stream in front of thousands of people, they're like, who the fuck is this guy? So he inquires about
chasing
me.
clout. I
go in there, do an interview, go ballistic. So now I have a cult-like following emerging on X where I'm a sports bettor. I'm the best in the world betting on football. I've been banned from all MGM, banned from all
What is your percentage against the spread?
I hover around any large sample space is around 61, 63%.
Okay, I'm there myself. So what?
But you're betting baseball with that.
No, I'm betting everything. I'm betting everything.
You don't have the capacity and knowledge to speak about sports.
Yeah, really. I've won every single Super Bowl this decade. Can you say the same?
I've hit 4 out of 5.
Well, I'm 5 out of 5. What's good? I'm 5 out of 5.
And that's a small sample space. And this is the
Super Bowls.
This is the law of large numbers, Gary.
Okay,
listen,
how about this?
Listen, in this small sample space,
okay, well, I'll give you a good sample size.
I'll
give you a good.
That's going to revert to the mean as you increase the sample space.
I'll give you a good space.
I bet over your next 10 Super Bowls, you don't hit 6.
Oh, okay, whatever. Go to Cavs. And
you'll probably fuck around and lose the next 5.
I'm not you.
No, I'm the best in the world. I'm banned.
You keep saying that.
They're taking your bets at MGM. I can't walk into an MGM
I got banned from Hard Rock.
I saw you posting.
I got banned from Hard Rock. Thank you for winning too much.
I've been banned from every casino.
Banned from fucking Atlantic City for winning 1.3 million in one fucking month. Don't talk to me about that nonsense.
I know that's your claim to fame with betting. Now, and anyone in a small sample space can have anomalous occurrences.
Go to Cavs and put in Gary the Numbers Guy. See what comes up on YouTube.
We know you predicted when they were down 1-3 and this and that.
Oh, we did.
I'm diligent.
Where's your prediction like that? That was the best comeback in NBA history, and I called it.
And it was
I put my rep on the line, and I called it. I said it. It happened. Where's your claim to fame? You're trying to say what I did.
My claim to fame
isn't there. Kyrie Irving, who's born 1992, the year of the monkey, hit the game winner in 2016 against the Warriors. That happened. People do better in their own years. That is the biggest upset in NBA history. And I called it right before. I said it would happen. Everything that happened did happen. This objectively proves I know what the fuck I'm talking about. And if you have a better call than that, let's see it.
Let's just go ahead and lay out some type of prediction right now. You know, this is the issue, is that everything you speak about is unfalsifiable. It's not actual science.
This happened before.
You know about Karl Popper, right?
This happened before they came back. You do understand that.
And you're cherry picking one instance.
No.
That
is the biggest. This is what it calls about being a man. Putting your rep on the line, and if you're wrong, you're cooked. If I was wrong about that, I'm not here. He doesn't know me. I'm done. I was right. I get my accolades.
I mean, the validity of your ideas shouldn't be correlated to one particular instance.
I'm giving you one example. I'm the one who did I not say Elon? Did I not say Elon and Trump would break apart this year?
He did call that on the show.
You made a lot of incorrect predictions that we don't need to get into either. This is what you do. Is you
I'm not God. I'm not God.
predictions.
I get 85% of them right. That's a fact.
I mean, I'll bet money with you that you can't make 10 specific predictions and even get half of them right.
How much you want to bet?
How much do you? What type of? So
Okay.
so you should
What do
be
you
able
wanna
to
do?
predict who ends up in the Super Bowl this year, right?
No, I'm not going to do that.
Within some type of range of certainty.
What I'm going to do?
See, why don't you put a
what
range
I'm
on
gonna
probability?
do? What I'm going to do is when we know who the game is, then I'll make a prediction because I need to do an AFC, NFC championship. I need to do every single game. I'm not doing it ahead of time. I understand futures are good, and I do not hit all my futures. There's no doubt about it. But I hit futures more than everyone else.
Ranges on the probability of.
I've been selling picks for 15 years, bro. I'm cool. I'm cool, bro.
This is a way for you to demonstrate that you're.
I've already demonstrated. That's why people pay me money for my picks.
Instances, and you don't have anyone that's saying I am rich from Gary Sports Betting.
I had a group of people here on the rooftop of the fucking Rio.
I assure you that you're not.
I'm winning on my parlays. I am banned. I am banned.
Then let's get together and cooperate.
I'll tell you what. Do
you agree that cooperative systems have much more value at their disposal than competitive? Why compete when we can cooperate and synergize?
Why would I?
And bring our diverse skills to the table because the bottom line is making money. Who gives a fuck about stroking ego? It's about making money and bringing value to our clients.
Listen, I see value in Myron Gaines. I see value in Fresh and Fit. I see value in the people I deal with. I see a lot of value in this guy. He's a 33 life path, by the way. Look what he's doing at a fucking young age. Validates exactly what the fuck I'm talking about. So when I see value in people, you don't want to learn. You want to argue and you want to talk with big words.
Podcast.
No, you want to entertain. I'm going to tell you something.
Tension is the entry point
I
to
get
growth.
it, brother. I love it too. But I'm telling you.
It sounds like you have a closed circuit of belief.
What are you going to teach me, bro? How to go to the gym? How to lift some weights? I got plenty of guys for that.
You don't understand the digital nature of reality.
What are you going to teach me? What are you going to teach me?
Explain how we're in a simulation.
How are you going to teach me?
You say we're in a simulation and there's a matrix.
I'm asking you. You said you could teach me. You said to work up. What are you going to teach me besides lifting weights?
I can teach you about morality.
I have morality.
I can teach you about objectivity.
I turned down OnlyFans. I turned down the degeneracy. You're not going to teach me anything about morality.
I can falsify my beliefs.
I'm with the mother of my child. You are not. Don't tell me about morality.
And that's one characteristic of you as a human, but you lack compassion for others.
And you don't?
You pander to incels.
You don't? You're willing to lie to people on here.
My girlfriend
and you're saying
will tell
that's good.
You right now, I cry almost every day when I see
you. You cry?
Yes, I cry a lot. I'm a sensitive dude. I'm in touch.
Men shouldn't cry.
And that's what a man who isn't in touch with his masculinity and hasn't integrated. This is why you lack creativity and originality, Gary.
I'm a numerologist in astrology. You told me I lack creativity and originality.
I don't cry because, I'm having a bad day. I cry when I see people contemplating suicide. I cry when I see people on the street fucking having the most disgusting.
You know what I think?
Life.
I'm thinking, what did they do to deserve that?
And so do
That's
I.
what I think. That's what I think.
And I ruminate on that as well.
That's what I think.
And there has to be some type of accountability, but there is environmental factors and different things that multivariable.
You think empathy is a strength?
Empathy is the greatest commonality amongst high-level thinkers.
Empathy is what fucking spread mass immigration. Empathy is what fucking spread all this feminist nonsense that's going around in the world. And you want to fucking push that
empathy.
shit.
No, we're not. I'm not trying to valorize the victim.
That's what it sounds like to me.
No, I'm trying to valorize the victor and turn the few victors in society into the many. I'm trying to hijack people's minds because our minds have become the battlefield weapons and rewards fought for in this new age of informational warfare. These corporate overlords are hijacking our phones. They're creating split testing mechanisms.
And what are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it?
What I'm going to do is talk my shit and create a cult following and subtly start to impact it.
Do you have a cult following?
It's happening. Yes, I have. They took my
How many followers do you have?
Listen, if we go on X right now, my spaces are going to be double yours.
I'm asking
I'll get 400 people in this space. You can't even get 100.
How many people do you actually have following you?
Following doesn't matter. It's
of course,
engagement.
because you have no following.
I have more
so it doesn't
engagement.
matter.
I have more engagement.
How many do you have an IG?
I have more engagement.
How many do you have an IG?
They banned my IG
How many
for
did you have before
it
did?
Lit.
How many did you have before it?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Don't matter
because you don't have clout, bro. You don't have clout.
What matters is I saw you go live on YouTube 2 nights ago and had 100 people in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, good.
That's not clout.
I got
If you cut your
250,000 on
space
YouTube.
on right
I have
now, Go live on
250,000.
Spaces right now. You're going to have like 50 people in there.
Maybe because I got suspended 24 times.
And so
they
am I,
took-
and I'm going to have 400 people in my space
Brother,
within an hour.
let's go on TikTok. I'll get fucking 5,000 in my
Let's
space.
do it,
You
and let's
don't
hijack the
have,
culture.
You don't have my clout. And quite
don't,
frankly,
not yet.
and you never will, quite frankly.
will.
You're a 9 life path. You don't
I'm
have what
much
it
more
takes.
entertaining
You don't
and
have what it
enlightening than
takes,
you.
bro.
Yes.
No.
You're going to tell me that because I was born on February 13th, I'm a life path 9, that there's certain things that aren't accessible to me?
I don't think you have what it takes to be a major influencer, no. You'll never be Andrew Tate. You'll never be one of these guys.
Make
But
those claims specific.
I'm going to say this. I think you're successful in life. I think you're going to have a lot of shit going for you. I think you're done better than most people. I do think you're intelligent. I think you're just, that ego is just fucking massive,
What
bro.
is ego, Gary?
Ego, you don't want to learn from anybody.
Ego is a
you don't
coping
wanna, you don't
mechanism
want to
for
learn from anything.
uncertainty.
You don't want to learn from anyone.
Yes,
you
I
already
do.
know everything.
I know because I'm learning and reducing hidden information.
What you should be doing is
following
asking
numerology.
That
I
too,
should
that
say
too.
I'm a 9. I'll never be able to influence people. I'm much more influential than you.
How's the crypto?
If we have
How's
a
your
group of
crypto?
100 men,
They'll follow me before you, bro.
No, if
we're anywhere outside of a gym,
if you
they'll
bring
follow
your
me
GG,
before you.
Listen,
Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.